Okay, it is November 30th, 2019, Under the Wings 70. Memorial portrait of Franco Cesana, age 12 when he was shot by a German or Austrian Nazi soldier in Nazi-occupied Italy, 1943. The drawing is now done. I'm going to move my camera in closer. I'm going to go clockwise here, starting at lower left. And I'm gonna have a mat cut for it that will fit in this frame. It'll be like 1 inch on the left, top and right, and slightly larger on the bottom. And there you have it. The sea beastie or sea monster can be thought of as a metaphor for any number of government leaders today who promote bigotry, dehumanization of the other, as did the leading fascists and Nazis in Europe, Hitler in Germany and Austria, Mussolini in Italy, fascism in Croatia, and so on. Hungary. All right, there you have it.